everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I am back with another video. So today I'm gonna use Sleek Makeup Cosmetics to create this look for you guys. I hope you guys will enjoy. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So as you guys can see, I have already primed my eyelids and my eyebrows are also done. So this is the palette which I'm gonna take today for creating the eye look. This is the Sleek Makeup's Eye Divine palette. So this is how it looks. It has the pretty shades, mostly have shimmers. So as it doesn't have any transition shade, तो मुझे वो किसी और पैलेट से लेना पड़ेगा. So उसके लिए I'll use this Revolutions का ये Trio palette है. उसका ये I think this is a contour shade which I'm gonna use for in my crease today. So I'll take this kind of a blending brush. उससे मैं यही brown light brown shade लूँगी. And then I'll start applying in my crease. आपके पास अगर कोई भी लाइट ब्राउन या कोई भी ट्रांजिशन शेड हो, आप वो यूज़ कीजिए. आपने जो ब्लेंड करना होता है ना, वो बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए. लाइक ब्लेंडिंग इज़ द की. So after that I'm gonna take my sunset palette, Sleek sunset palette. इसमें से first of all the shade I'm gonna take is this one, this reddish shade. Okay, this shade. So I'm gonna apply this on my lid, on my entire lid. So now taking this kind of a brush, it is slightly dense brush. Now I'm taking this color, this color. I'll mix both of these two colors, ठीक है. और इसको मैं अपनी outer lid पे जो है, outer V पे I'll mainly focus this color. थोड़ी सी अपनी आँख को जो है वो intense look देने के लिए. Properly blending this into my eye and merging the two colors. इसको मैंने क्रीज पे और आउटर वी पे अपने फोकस किया because that's how you should go. ठीक है. उसके बाद after doing this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this black color from this palette, and this is really pigmented. I'll take the same brush and I'll take the black color, और इसको भी मैं I'll focus it mainly on my outer V. Keep it low. ज़्यादा ऊपर इसको क्रीज में लेके जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इसको आप वी में ही, अपने आउटर वी में आप इसको फोकस करें तो it will come out better. So after blending this black color, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take again this color which I have applied on my lid. Now I'll use my fingers. That's how I like it. The shades like look very pigmented when you apply that on your face. I'll apply this on the middle of my lid, blending the black and this together. ठीक है. उसके बाद what I'm gonna do is I'll take a clean brush. ठीक है. This kind of clean brush. ठीक है. और फिर I'm gonna take this yellow. I hope you guys can see this. I'm gonna take this yellow on this brush, and then I will apply this on my inner corner and half of my lid. Now again taking the flat brush which I took before, अब मैंने यही दो colors लेने हैं, this one, and I will make my lower lid. Now I will take the flat brush again. I will take black and इसको मैं बिल्कुल अपनी जो है वो, sorry, not flat brush, It's better when you do it with the angled brush. अगर आपने आई शेडो को एज अ लाइनर यूज़ करना है तो do it with the angled brush. So I'm gonna do the same. I'll take this black shade. I'm taking this on my angled brush and I'm gonna make a liner, wing liner out of it. So now I've applied the liner. So now I'll be back after doing my another eye and with my lashes on. So guys, as my both eyes are done and also my foundation is on, so I'm gonna set my face now with this Sleek Makeup Cosmetics pressed powder, and this is in the shade Biscuit. So I'll take this kind of a brush and I'll start setting my face on usual areas. This is bit of kind of dark color than my skin tone, but I love working with it. So after setting my face, now for contouring, I'm taking this Sleek Makeup Cosmetics palette, and this is their trio palette, which has 3 shades. This is kind of contouring shades. This is also a darker shade. So now taking this kind of an angle brush. This is from Bobbi Brown. I'm taking this contouring shade. I will start contouring my face. Now I will take this bronzing brush and I'll take the bronzer and bronze my face. So now for the blush, I'm taking again the same Sleek Makeup Cosmetics blush, sorry. And this is in the shade Rose Gold. Don't know why it's not focusing. It's very pretty blush, guys. I'm gonna show you in a bit. So it kind of seems like a NARS one. It has a gold shine in it, so it looks very pretty. So if you have a slightly chubby face like me, you need to apply blush in this way, like in this manner. So now for highlighter, I am gonna use this pink. This is a very pretty color. Look. So guys, my face makeup is almost done. So now for lips, I'm gonna use this Sleek Makeup Cosmetics lipstick, and this is in the shade Bare All. This is their matte lipstick, and this is a very pretty color. So I'm gonna apply this on my lips. I love this shade, and this is actually my go-to shade. I use this like every day, wherever I go. So guys, here's the final look I created. I hope you guys like this. I hope you guys will try to recreate this, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.